The circulatory system comprises blood, blood vessels, and the heart. The heart is the central organ for pumping the blood throughout the body. Heart is made up of strong cardiac muscles. Heart pumps liquid blood, a tissue which transports nutrients, gases, waste, etc. along with it. The right upper atrium receives deoxygenated blood from whole body, which is pumped into right ventricle below, and it sends the blood to lungs for oxygenation via pulmonary artery. After oxygenation, blood travels through pulmonary vein and is received in upper left chamber, that is left atrium, which pumps it into left ventricle below. Then it is pumped into aorta, which is source many arteries which carries oxygenated blood to different parts of body. Arteries get divided into very narrow blood capillaries where exchange of substances takes place. Capillaries forms a web-like network to reach maximum cells. Capillaries join together to form veins. Isn't it a sophisticated system?
Good morning to all. Today is September 29th, World Heart Day. In this moment, I am going to speak some words about our heart. We all know in our human body there is one heart. It is situated between our two lungs. The size of the heart is equal to the size of one's fist. The heart works like a pump. It pumps blood to various parts of our body in various directions. There is a double membrane coated our heart. Its name is pericardium. The average number of heartbeats in 1 minute is 72 beats. We know that the number of heart patients are increasing day by day. It is because of overuse of fatty foods, no exercises, fast food, etc. So, for a good future and good heart, we all want to reduce the fatty food. So, I am concluding my words. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, today I'm here to speak a few words about World Heart Day. It's an opportunity to bring people together to tackle the world's biggest killer and improve their hearts. So, let us all promise to make our heart more healthier. My heart, your heart, and all our heart. In a year, over 7 million people die through heart diseases. As a way to fight this, World Heart Day Federation creates World Heart Day. It's an event held on 29th September. Stress and tension is the root causes of other cardiovascular diseases. So, stay happy and keep smiling. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am Alanjit. Today I am going to speak a few words about World Heart Day. The heart diseases and stroke are the world leading cause of death in humans. Overtaking lacks of exercise, unhealthy diets, and high blood pressure, cholesterol, and glucose level are the factors which can trigger heart diseases. The World Heart Day is celebrated every year on 29 September. It is an initiative created by the World Heart Federation. The day drives a message that heart problem can be prevented. This is a perfect day to quit smoking, get exercising, and start eating healthy. Both non-government and government organizations take part in celebration of Heart Day. So I am concluding my word. Thank you.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, every year over 17 million people die from heart diseases. As a way to fight this, the World Heart Federation created the World Heart Day. It is an event which is celebrated on 29th of September every year. This day was created by the World Heart Federation to inform all people around the globe that cardiovascular diseases, CVD, including heart diseases and stroke, is a major cause of death on the planet. The World Heart Day also highlights the actions every individual can take to prevent heart diseases. It also aims to drive actions to educate people that by controlling certain risky factors such as tobacco usage, unhealthy diet and physical inactivity can reduce 80% of premature death due to heart diseases. Exercise is an effective and an efficient tool to prevent heart diseases and improve heart health. More than 90 countries all across the world take part in this global observance day. As a result, the World Heart Day has proven to be an efficient way to spreading awareness about heart health. As a part of this day, concerts, public talks and sporting events are organized by government and non-governmental organizations. Every year, this day is celebrated with a theme. The theme of the year 2021 is Use Your Heart to Connect with Your Heart. High involvement from government and non-governmental organization is more important for developing countries as it is highly affected by these heart diseases, cardiovascular diseases. This day is very important because it is for your heart and for all our hearts. This day is all about asking yourself, what can I do to take care of my heart and your heart? Stress and tension are the major causes of all kinds of heart diseases. So keep smiling. Remember that life is beautiful and more fun when you have a heart that beats right. With this is me, Anina Das, signing out. Thank you and have a fine day ahead.
Teachers and my dear friends, today I am here to speak about World Health Day. World Health Day is observed annually on 29 September. According to World Health Organization, cardiovascular diseases takes the lives of 17.9 million people every year. We all know that heart is the important part of our body. According to cardiologists, heart diseases can happen to anyone at any age. There is no fixed age for it. Today, heart patients are